Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I changed my hair again, so I wanted to talk about it. But before we do that, let me talk to you guys about a few things, actually 2 things. So the first thing is, if you guys have noticed on my channel, I've been changing my hair a lot, and the reason I'm doing that is really because a lot of companies, hair companies, have been reaching out to me, and other companies as well. So it's been really super exciting, but also kind of stressful. A lot of times when these companies reach out to me and send me hair, I would have to take down the hair that I have, because a lot of them have deadlines. So for example, if they send me hair on a Monday, they're like, oh, can you post the video by Wednesday? And sometimes I have my hair in a different hairstyle and I have to take it out, and I'm like, you know, stressed out. So that I've really been feeling that grind of being a YouTuber and having companies like send me things and try to review and all that stuff. I'm feeling it. Often I'm like talking to my husband, I'm like, man, this is a lot, because sometimes my hair is really dirty and I would have to take down everything, wash it, deep condition, and put a different style on, and then the next day, like, it could be a wig, it could be a weave, it could be a crochet hair, and I'm just like, ah. But the cool thing about it is I'm able to do my own hair, so I'm really happy about that, because I don't have to pay for somebody to install them. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. But it's really been exciting, you know, after a couple years of being on YouTube, to have companies reaching out to me and sending me products. It's been really nice. And you know, I get to share my thoughts and opinions and stuff on it. Yeah. So this one I did actually buy with my own hair, because I tried the hair, and I think I had another hair like this, but it only had curly ends. So this one is a little bit different, and it's way longer. So I want to share it with you guys because I'm so excited about it. And I also want to talk about these hoop earrings. I just came back home. I don't know how I look, guys, because I am exhausted. It is hot. If you guys hear a noise in the background, I have my AC on, and I'm just like, I am tired. I took my kid to a play area, if you saw my Instagram post, and he had fun, but I'm tired now. But I was like, let me do this video because I have another hair company that is already sending me some other hair. And so I would have to have my hair ready by like maybe in 2 days or so to put in the next style. So yeah, that's the reason why I was like, let me rush and do this video. So this hair is, hopefully it's on here, it's pretty much Goddess Faux Locs with curly mixed in. It's not the official title, but I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box if you guys want to get this hair. I'm in love with this hair. This is my kind of hair. It's long because I'm 5'10", and this was 18 inches, and you can see it's like hitting me all the way under my boobs. So this hair is slightly different from what I had in that. Okay, so this is how it came right here. Let me get close. So pretty much it has you know, your typical faux locks with curls at the end, and then they attach another curl on it. So that's how it's really different. But with that, it gives you a lot of volume, and over time it looks better. The only things that I would say, guys, is please do not put a lot of products whenever you have hair that has a curly mix in it. I've done a lot of crochet braids, I've tried a lot of different hairs, and I would just tell you guys not to put too much product. If you are putting product, just put it on the faux locks. Like, take each and just slowly put it on it, but don't put it too much in the curly hair, because you're gonna have a lot of tangling, a lot of matting, and it's gonna look really frizzy and it looks really bad. Oh, these earrings are getting stuck to everything. Okay, let's try this. Oh, but they're so cute. Yeah. So, and also make sure you use your bonnet. That's the other 2 things I would really say about this kind of hair. Faux locks by themselves, they're easy, but faux locks when they're mixed with curly, you really have to watch out, or your hair's gonna look really matted. But over time it looks really nice and it gets better. So this is, yeah, as I said, 18 inches. It's long right there, and I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. But it's so beautiful. Like, I've just been in love with it. I've been looking at it every time. It's like, this is my kind of hair. Like, I've been just, yeah, I love curls on me, so I've just been like amazed by how great it looks. Yeah, so I got, it was, let's see how many packs of hair I had. Yeah, 6 packs of hair. I ended up only using 4, and to get this much volume. So you guys can see I still have these left here. So this is what I'm going to use to fill in case the hair starts looking really matted and frizzy. I could just take these pieces and add on. So it's a lot of hair, and that's a really good thing. For 6 packs for $34 is not bad at all. If you go to beauty supply stores, they're way more. So yeah, I just got in a 1B. It usually takes me 2 hours to install the hair. Nothing really there, but overall I just wanted to share with you guys because I really love it so much. And if I like a hair so much, I come on here and share with you guys so you guys can check it out for yourself. I've been doing crochet braids for like the past 3 years and I love them so much. My hair is doing really well with them, so that's what I'm going to continue doing. But yeah, I'm going to leave all the information in the description box. I'm talking too fast, for you guys to check it out. But overall, this is yes. This is the yes hair. Like, oh my goodness, look at that. So yeah, it's perfect. Love it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.